Good morning, viewers. Welcome to the Semi-Opal News. I am Bella.
And I am Angel. Will accompany you with the various interesting news today for the next hour. Viewers, natural conditions are bad at this time. The rain that continues to pound the city of Labuan Bajo, causing flooding in the several places, such as in the Gorontalo village and in the Kampung Air.
This phenomenon, the activity in Kampung Air and Gorontalo residents, and prevented tourists from enjoying their vacation. In addition, this flooding that occurred in Gorontalo village resulted in many residents being the effect for the dengue fever.
We have connected with three of our reporters who will report the chronology of the flooding and the current condition in the flooded areas. Cecil, what is the current conditions in the Kampung Air?
Well, Bella and Angel, the situation in Kampung Air is very concerning at the moment. The rain that has been pounding Kampung Air for the last week has caused flooding with a height of 1.5 meters. Apart from this continuous rain, the flooding in Kampung Air occurred because in Kampung Air has no sewage and drainage. I am currently with Mrs. Yolan, who is local resident of Kampung Air. Well, Mrs. Yolan, what is the chronology of the flooding in Kampung Air?
Well, the high-intensity rain have continued to pound the Kampung Air for the last week. This is not matched by the presence of sewer and drainage, causing rainwater to accumulate. When I slept at 2 a.m. 2 days ago, I woke up because the water flood is soaking my feet. The water was about 1 meter from our floor of our room at that time. Then I woke up my whole family, so we didn't sleep after that.
Thank you, Mrs. Yolan. The situation in Kampung Air is very concerning at the moment. This flood is very troubling and hampers the activities of residents. Back to the studio, Bella and Angel.
Thank you, Cecil. Viewers, this continuous rain has been happening since the last 1 week. To find out the cause, Sir Biri Wagum, the head of BMKG in West Manggarai district, is here. Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
Sir, why has it been raining continuously in the city of Labuan Bajo for the last week?
Okay, the cause of this phenomena is the active of Asian monsoon and the existence of low pressure zone in the round of Cambrian Australia, which also influenced by the equatorial Rossby and Madden-Julian oscillation that there's in the third phase causes the increasing of rainfall significantly. Several impacts that probably happens of this phenomena, namely hydrometeorological disaster, such as flooding, flash flood, and landslide. West Manggarai territory now is still there on rainy season that its peak will be occurred in the beginning of January until February 2025. Based on information of Tropical Cyclone Warning Center, Indian Ocean is observed the existence of two sets of tropical cyclone which have a potential in bringing the significant impact toward the weather condition in Indonesia, especially in south of East Java, while tropical cyclone CGIS is there in the round of West Australia. The interaction of both low pressure zone causes the increasing of rainfall with a varied intensity in the part of East Nusa Tenggara, includes in Labuan Bajo, West Manggarai.
I think this is something that must be considered together so that one things do not happen like what is happening in the Kampung Air now. Thank you, sir.
Viewers, this flood event did not only affect it for the local community. The flooding event also had an impact to the tourist activity. Okay, we have connect with Chika. What's the current condition in Kampung Air tourism activity, Chika?
Angel and Bella, tourism activity in Kampung Air are very quiet at the moment because foreign and local tourists have been directed by the West Manggarai Tourism Authority to rest in hotels that are not affected by the flood. Okay, now I have been with one of the tourists who had to be directed to go to hotel far from where the flood happened yesterday. Okay, Mrs. Lila, could you introduce your identity and how do you feel about not being able to take your vacation space in city of Labuan Bajo?
Okay, I am Ningsi. I come from Singapore. I came to Labuan Bajo to enjoy a vacation and enjoy the natural beauty in Labuan Bajo, going to Komodo Island, Padar, and so on. But because of the flooding 3 days ago, the tour was cancelled, and this is so very beyond my expectation. Thank you.
Well, Thank you, Mrs. Sila. Back to the studio, Angel and Bella.
Well, thank you, Chika. Fevers, besides in the village that the rain continues to pound the city of Labuan Bajo, also causes sea water rise. The settlements of Gorontalo villagers are flooded. And currently, the water level reaches 1.5 meters. Unfortunately, due to the flooding has occurred since 3 days ago, dengue fevers has also spread in Gorontalo village. And now, dengue patients in West Manggarai Labuan Bajo are increasing rapidly. To find out more about this, the head of the Labuan Bajo Health Center, Miss Vanya, is here with us. Good morning, Miss Vanya.
Good morning.
Okay, well, Miss Vanya, what is the current conditions in the health center and how did it happen?
From January to November 2024, 495 cases were found, with the highest cases occurring in the Labuan Bajo Health Center area with 172 cases and Batu Cermin Health Center area with 136 cases. Dengue fever in the two health center area accounted for 62% of the total cases in West Manggarai Regency. In 2023, dengue fever was 295 cases, and in 2024, it became 495 cases. Overall, compared to the same period in 2023, the dengue fever in West Manggarai have doubled.
Well, thank you, Miss Vanya. And now, we have connected with Lala, who is currently in Gorontalo village. Lala, based on information that the water level in Gorontalo village is currently increasing along with the intensity of rainfall that has not stopped for the past 1 week. Many residents are also experiencing health problems. What is the government doing about the flooding and current conditions at the Gorontalo village?
Well, Angel and also Bella, it is true that the flood level in Gorontalo village in the last 2 days has increased. Even the water level has reached 1.5 meters, so that many residents' houses are currently flooded. Until now, there has been no sign of the water level decreasing. On the contrary, currently, many residents have decided to take refuge at the flood post, but there are also those who stay, namely residents who have houses on the second floor and above. It is also true that many residents have experienced health problems such as diarrhea and dengue fever. With me is Mr. Julio, a resident of Gorontalo village who was affected by this flood. Mr. Julio, how has the flood affected you?
Okay, thank you. If you ask me about the impact of this flood on me, I think it's very bad because I can carry out my daily activities normally, especially since one of my family members is being treated at Labuan Bajo Health Center for dengue fever. And I think it's also one of the impacts of this flood that have occurred since 3 days ago.
Well, thank you, Mr. Julio. I wish your relative a speedy recovery. Angel and also Bella, so report for me back to the studio.
Thank you, Lala. Viewers, that is for this morning news. Lend a hand to help our brothers and sisters in Kampung Air and Gorontalo. Thank you for being with us for these few minutes. Stay tuned for our latest news on the next Semipal News. I am Bella.
And I am Angel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and shining out.